All right. Hello, everyone. This is your boy, Hollywood the Trade King. And I first want to start off by thanking you for visiting my channel. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but I thank you. You are here. First off, I want to say, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and also be sure to share this video with your friends, okay? I want to share with you the most powerful system in the Forex market. I'm telling you, it really blessed my life. I mean, it's so accurate. The system is so accurate. So I wanted to make sure I shoot a video to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at when I'm trading. I want to show you exactly how I'm able to win 95% of the time, if not more than that. Okay. The name of this system is called the 3-arrow system, triple arrow system. And yeah, let's get right into it, man. I'm not going to waste a lot of time. Just give me just a second. I'm going to pull up my screen so you guys can see what's going on. Okay. All right, let's share my screen here. Let me hide a few things first. I'm going to hide that. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Okay, I also want to say I want to give a shout out to the person who came up with this system, because this is not my system. This is a friend of mine, and I want to say, man, if you're watching this video, I really appreciate you, man. This is a game changer, and I thank you so much, man. I mean, this system you can teach to a child, and I mean, it's so easy. It's so easy. All right. Let's see what I got here. Share my screen. Okay. Hopefully you guys are able to see that there. Okay. So this is the triple arrow system. And I want to show you exactly what I look for in the market or when I'm using this system. Okay. I look for the 3 arrows. So for example, here you have a big arrow, little arrow, and a yellow arrow, and then the market drops. Right? So the red means it's a sell. The green arrows mean buy. So for example, we're looking at this here. You do not get into a trade until you see the big arrow, little arrow, and the yellow arrow. And look what happened. $205 pips. I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. Now, guys, I will say, for me, I know I prefer to trade on the 4-hour and 1 hour, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. But you can trade on any of these time frames. You can go to 15-minute, 30-minute, hour, 4-hour day, things like that. 5-minute, I'm not sure. It works, as you can see, but when you messing with smaller time frames, there's going to be a lot of fake moves, a lot of false moves. So you really be careful on the lower time frames. 5-minute may be okay, but I wouldn't really use this on the 1 minute. It's just too it's too stressful. Look at this here. It's too much. So I prefer the 4-hour and 1 hour, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay. Everything on the smaller time frames has to respect what's happening on the bigger time frames, right? So you're gonna experience a lot of false moves, like on the 5 and 15-minute, the 1 minute, a lot of false moves. So you have to be really careful when you're trading those smaller time frames. I used to trade the 15-minute time frame when I was using other products, and it's cool. I was experiencing and that's if I'm scalping, right? you know, the smaller time frames, you want to scalp, you know, get you a quick 5 pips, 10 pips and get out. But let me put it like this. Let me just put it like this. Smaller time frames, smaller moves, shorter moves, excuse me. Smaller time frames, shorter moves, small profits. Higher time frames, bigger moves, big profits. All right. So I'm going to add something in here so you can see what's going on. I want you guys to have a clear view of what I'm looking at. I'm going to add this indicator on top of this system here. Let's see if I can find it. Okay. Okay. So let's go back some here. Okay. What I'm looking for, okay? I can either go from that, and it's just me. You can do it on 15, 30 minute, whatever you want to do. But for me, I'm looking at the hour and the 4 hour. Sometimes I might look at the 30 minute, but I'm looking at this here. We're on an hour time frame. I'm looking for a big green arrow, little green arrow, and a yellow box. Once I see this here, I'm getting in on the next candle. I might even wait for a pullback. So I'm getting in right here. Okay. And I'm staying in the trade. Now you could take, 45 pips and just, take your profits and be done for the day. But for me, I want to stay in this trade. Let's move this out the way here. Just a second. Okay. I'm staying in this trade. Let me close this up here. Until I see a big red arrow, little red arrow, and a yellow arrow. So I'm staying in this trade up until here. Once I see this here, I'm getting out. It's like 310 pips. And this is on a 1 hour, guys. And so what happens once I take the 310 pips, close out. Now keep in mind, I see the big red arrow, little red arrow, yellow arrow. At this point, I'm getting back in the trade and I'm going to take it in for a sale. Again, I'm not getting out the trade. See, with most traders, man, when they see it pull back a little bit, they get nervous, They get nervous and they close out. You get in right here, and as soon as it start pulling back a little bit, you get scared. You get scared. But you just got to be patient. You stay in that trade. And boom, you get out right here. 51 pips. Take your 51 pips. You got the green, the big arrow, little arrow, yellow arrow. You get back in the trade. And that's the thing. This will help people with knowing when to get in and when to get out. And that's a lot of people's problem. Like a lot of traders, they don't know when to get out. I'll say the best thing to do is have a trading plan. Focus on 15, 20 pips a day or whatever your goal is. Whatever your goal is. For myself, I'm going to hit my goal and I'll leave one running. I'll leave one in the chamber. You get back in the trade on the buy. You stay in. Let it pull back. You're still in the trade. You're still in the trade. You take it here. 218 pips. Now, some people will say, I'll take my profits whenever I see the big arrow. And that's cool too. 240 pips. Get out the trade. You get back in right here. $265 pips. And guys, this is so easy. I mean, this system here is very, very, very powerful. I say this is the most powerful system in the market right now, in my opinion. I play with a lot of products. I play with a lot of stuff, man. A lot of different strategies. This here is by far the best. I am not lying to you. This is far the best. This is what I use. So if you guys want to really kill it in the market, this is the system you would use right here. Triple arrow system. Okay. These indicators here, I will hook you up with these for free. This one here, I will hook you up. You're not paying for these here. These boxes here, you're not paying for those, okay? Those are free. I'm not gonna sell a free product. That's what I don't do. I do not offer products to people who that's free, right? Now, this system here is not free, right? Even I had to pay for it. I had to pay full price for it. This is not a free system. The triple arrow system costs. So, guys, what I would say is just shoot me an email if you are interested in getting more information about this product. Just send me an email. The email is in the comments. And but other than that, this is the triple arrow system. I want to show you one more thing. This is the 4-hour time frame. Okay. I love the 4-hour time frame. Love it. Usually when I see moves like this, I'm getting in. I'm getting in on this candle. Let's say it pulls back. So that's why my stop loss, and that's just me. I don't know you guys, but according to my account size, my stop loss is about 40 pips. So let's say I took this trade, right? I took it to here. 240 pip move. 240 pip move. Another good confirmation that is dropping. That this that CAD JPY. That's what we're looking at. So another confirmation is the crossing of the arrows. All right, come up here, cross down. I mean, you can actually use this system for swing trading. You do a lot of swing trading on this system here. A lot of swing trading. See how it crossed? The EMA's crossed here. Come back and crossed here again. You go in for a buy. And let's see. I know you guys might even have questions about, which pairs work best on it. I mean, I put it like this. You can trade all Forex pairs with it. Crypto, I haven't tried crypto yet. Metals, you can do metals like gold. I did take a trade last week on gold and put in about 5-6 positions and took profit within 15 to 20 minutes of being in that trade. Now let's talk about the accuracy of this system here. Let's talk about the accuracy of this system. So we're looking at 95% wins. 95% win rate. So last week I took, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I took 10 trades and I lost 1. And the one I lost was due to a news event, right? So that's your other 5%. I wouldn't trade during news. I'll wait till after the news and then trade, right? So like news, of course, NFP, things like that, I wouldn't use the system. But other than that, you're looking at a 95% rate. So that's my time, guys. I just wanted to show you this system is very powerful. I'm excited for you. I'm very excited for you. I'm still excited about this system. I had it for maybe not long at all, but during the time I had it, it produced very good results. So if it worked for me, it's going to work for you. And that's my time, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends, okay? Shoot me an email, and if you want more information about this product, shoot me an email, and we'll talk about it. And if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? All right, thank you so much, guys.